Steven and I have been coming up to Windrock Bike Park for the last few years. One of the first races that we ever went to at Windrock was on Dropout. Now Dropout's been redone a few times since that first race, but it is used often in the Cat 2, Cat 3 races. The interesting thing about Dropout though is if you run it at full speed, it's actually a great training trail. And so in this particular video, Steven basically blasts Dropout as fast as he can. And it's pretty exciting to watch. Steven went up to Windrock by himself this time and stayed for almost a week, camping and riding and training. Recently, Steven went back to Windrock, and he'll be working on the trail crew for the next few weeks in training. I'm looking forward to seeing how Steven progresses and how spending as much time on the mountain as he can really improves his riding. It's been difficult for us since we live in Florida. We're constantly having to get in the car and travel at a minimum about 7 to 8 hours. So I'm excited for Steven and I look forward to posting more of his videos in the coming weeks.
Fastest one yet by far. Definitely. Fastest one yet. Crazy.